Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the AM player without a Google Play. So let's head into the video. This will be on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. And I'm showing you in a couple of steps. The first thing you want to do is you want to ensure that your device is a developer or you have a status of developer. So just go to settings and then head over to system. You're going to navigate down to about and finally down all the way to build number. So if you're in your build number like me, all you need to do here is to click on it 7 times. So you can see on my screen it's telling me no need, I am already a developer. When your screen will tell that you are now a developer. And if that is done, you have a developer's options. So if you come out and you go down, you see developers options here. That means you're a developer and you can allow permissions for an app to be downloaded and installed from an unknown source, or for a certain application to install apps which are unknown. So make sure that is set up, and let's head over to the next part of the video. So in this part, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to head over to the apktime application. If you don't have the apktime application already, I have a video covering how to download it. So watch that video to download and install this app, and when you open the app, you're going to head over to browsers and players. Here you find the AM player application. So here you find AM player application. So this is the first one for Android TV. Up here, if you look at the toggle, when I toggle on it, it shows up green. So finding the download button green means that that's where the cursor is. Just click on it to download and be patient for the download to commence. So download has begun. It's currently running at 12%. Just give it some time to complete downloading and we'll progress from there. So now you have to know that immediately the download completes, we're going to go over into the installation process. So the installation process will be simple and it's going to make use of what we did in the first step where we were able to actually make our device a developer or become a developer on the device. So that will enable us to install an application from third party or siloed an application to Google TV. That's what we're doing with this method. This is the installation process right here. You see the app is unknown and now it's staging the app. So it's asking me, do you want to install this application? If you click install, this installation process goes. But if you do not see this installation process going so successfully, you have to ensure you click on the option that says you see something like unknown sources, unknown app. If you see something like that, just head over to the apktime application and toggle it on. Then you come over here and click on done. So just like that, you have apktime app downloaded. The access is on the Play Store on your apps dashboard, pardon me, and you could just click on it to open, and there you have the application ready for use. So if you found that insightful, hit that like button to the rest of the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.